YouTube. Today we are back at Orrisdale. We are going to walk to Orrisdale, the beach. I think it's called Orrisdale Head. So we're going to walk along a glen. We'll intersect it with some drone footage. I'm going to use the Phantom. I'm going to leave the Mavic in the car. And then we'll probably end up walking along the beach, doing a bit of an explore, probably an hour or so walk, maybe a bit longer. So yeah, this is going to be part of our places to visit series.
So our car's parked down there, just in a little pull-in lay-by. And here's the footpath that we're taking.
Tractor struggling to get past the car then.
Lovely views.
Oh, he is quite a wide load.
Nice.
It is a beautiful view, isn't it?
Yep. Sorry, say that again?
I'm not saying it again.
Why not?
Because you'll have it in hard evidence then that you don't listen to me.
I do listen to you, I just forget sometimes. Anyway, this is quite an easy walk down to this beach, isn't it?
Last bit's not. I have photo evidence of someone trying to cross a little river at the bottom,
Yeah.
and it didn't make a very elegant sight.
Well, I struggle to balance on those tiny little rocks. We'll maybe not record that this time. All the cows are lying down over there. That's supposed to mean rain, but it doesn't look like it's going to rain today. There's not really many clouds in the sky. So anyone who's any doubt of which way you need to go, either the way we came or the way that we're going. I wonder where all the sheep have gone.
Cooked.
Can't say that on the video.
Landscape.
Just coming up to the next obstacle. Do we go through the gate or do we climb over the stile? Oh, through the gate, I guess. There's quite a few flying things. There's one on flies.
Flies. You heard me right the first time, and you chose to ignore it.
I didn't hear you because you're facing away, so. Oh.
Apparently Orrisdale lime kiln is here, but all I can see is overgrown bracken and ferns and trees. I don't even think taking the drone in the air would help.
Craig,
What?
what is that in your mouth?
Grass.
Okay. Okay. Calm today out there. I feel like I'm being bitten alive by all these flies.
Bitten alive and bitten dead.
Dangerous cliffs, risk of death or serious injury.
Peel.
Oh yeah, we can see Peel over there. So this is where I precariously walk down the footpath without falling over. What did I miss? You nearly falling over?
Nope. There's nothing.
I'm going a different way. It's quite a steep drop though, to be fair. Ooh.
This is how you cross the simple one. 1, 2, 3, 4, down.
Thanks,
Now,
Craig.
You can give me the camera. Look, I did that in reverse, and now we'll watch someone make a...
Which one did you step on first?
It doesn't matter, there's loads of them.
This one.
I could go for any of them. Oh, well done, that was pretty impressive actually.
Well, that's because I've got my walking boots on. See? Last time I was up here, I had my Vans on and they're a bit slippy when it's wet. Find somewhere flat for it to take off. Okay. Not sure if you'll be able to see that because of the sun, but
3, 2, 1. Starting mission.
it's a view of those houses that we just walked past.
And now it's just taking 23 photos in the same spot.
Yeah.
Unless it loses GPS, then it flips off.
But it's not really very windy today, so it's not going to go very far, is it?
Oh, it's dead calm. Beautiful.
It is. Look at this. It's magic. Makes me want to take my boots off and go for a paddle. so calm. Not seen it this calm in a long time on this side of the island. It's normally quite windy. You could almost be in the Mediterranean, but it's not as hot. So I've been for a paddle. The water was a little bit chilly, but it's such a lovely day. It was really nice. So we're now going to head down the beach. So that's north, isn't it?
Yeah.
Gonna head that way and yeah, basically explore.
So in effect we're heading towards Balaf Beach. In effect. But we probably won't get that far.
But look, I think where we're walking now, this used to be cliffs. Won't be long before that erodes even further. Don't cause a landslide. Very sandy.
Well, this beach, pretty much from Kirkmichael or not Glenmay, not Glenwillan either, is it? It's further along. It pretty much goes right the way round now past Ramsey. You could walk the entire beach right up to Ramsey.
Now here we go. Another little steppy stony. I mean, how amazing as a child to be able to come down here on your pony and trot along the seafront. Quite cool.
Right, so we're heading back towards the car on a slightly different path. You can see there that white house in the distance. That's where we started, so we've walked all along that side of the valley, spent some time on the beach, and then we've walked up here, and now we're walking along this path back to the road, and then on the road down to the car. It really is a scorchingly hot day for the island anyway. Very little wind, just a slight breeze. If you stood still it's not too bad, but in sheltered areas, Jesus, is it hot. But yeah, onwards. We'll end the blog here for this one, but no doubt we will end up somewhere else. So so far so good. Oh, I have been blood sucked by a horsefly as well. So that's cool and dandy.
Oh, is that what the... Oh, no. Are they rose hips?
Rose hips, isn't it? I think. It's wild roses, but they'll end up having those big bud berries, aren't they? Could be wrong. Wild fuchsias.
I was just about to point them out. No, but I couldn't remember what they were called. It's more beautiful roses.
Oh, they smell.
Oh, they smell lovely. They smell pretty nice. Oh, I can see the car. Yay, we made it back.